winds may blow hard, but I hold on. I've walked through dark, I felt the pain. Still my heart beats, still I remain. I've seen tears fall, I've heard lies spoken, but something deep inside won't stay broken.